What's up, YouTube? Peanut here. So, if you got a Honda motor and it's been sitting around, you got to use it, and you fucking pull and pull and pull and pull till you're out of breath, and check, make sure it's got gas in it, well, blah blah blah, and then you pull and pull and pull till some bitch won't start. Here's your problem 9 times out of 10. Okay, what you gotta do is take the carburetor off. Right there. Here's your carburetor. You gotta take it off. Got to take this. This is your carburetor bowl. It sits on there like this. It's upside down. Sits on there like that. Take that sucker loose. Take it off. Strip your carburetor down. And you want to make sure that you got this. Your butterflies opened up like that. Okay. Then once you get your carburetor bowl off, you'll see this little stem that's sticking down. The float will be, there's your float. It'll be on here, and just pull it off and you'll have this stem. Now down inside of that stem is this little screw right here. You don't have to, but I do. I take this out. Just a flathead screwdriver will take it out from in here. Then you get you a piece of wire. I'm a vapor, so I have vape wire. This is a 22 gauge. You take and run your wire through that hole. Clean it out real good. And my butterfly closed back up on me. So, and you'll want to look in there when you push the wire up through the bottom. You'll look in there and you'll probably see a little piece of smooth, a little piece of trash. I go ahead while I'm here at this point, got it all tore apart, take carburetor and clean it all up. You can see a bunch of corrosion right there. I need to clean that up. Get this bitch all cleaned up where gas can flow through it real good. But 9 times out of 10, that's going to be your problem on these small motors, and why they won't start and run. I got a construction company, concrete company, and I got, all kinds of these fucking motors. I got trail machines, plate compactors, screed off machines, just you name it, I got it. I got a bunch of these Honda motors, and if they've been sitting around for a little while, that's what the deal is. That's the first place I start, and 99 times out of 100, it fixes it, and you're good to go. And you don't have to be in your shop. You can do this in the field. The main thing is that you just have this wire, because, it's hard to get, like a piece of electric wire or something won't go down in there. That's the thing. You got to have this wire. So people that don't vape or don't have this wire, I don't know where you're going to get a wire like this. I'm sure it's not impossible. Probably at Lowe's or something you can find a little wire like that. Maybe even if you had a really small pick with a long end, you might be able to get it through there, but it's a really, really small little hole. But anyways, that's the fix. And you don't have to be a rocket scientist to fix it. You don't have to be a mechanic really to fix it. You just got to have some tools and a little bit of common sense and a piece of wire. So I just wanted to make a little video about this because it's just a really common problem, and I just figured it might help somebody. So we'll see ya.